Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover cash with PNC Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To recover cash with PNC Bank, start by gathering your necessary information. This includes your account number and any relevant transaction details. Next, visit the PNC Bank website or open the PNC mobile app. Log into your online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Help and Support section. Look for options related to disputed transactions or account issues. Select the appropriate category that matches your situation. If you prefer speaking to someone, locate the customer service phone number. Call PNC Bank's customer service to report your issue. Provide them with your account details and explain your situation clearly. The representative will guide you through the recovery process. Follow any specific instructions they provide for submitting your claim. Make sure to document all interactions for your records. If instructed, fill out any required forms promptly. Submit any necessary documentation as requested by the bank. Monitor your account closely for updates on your claim. Stay in contact with customer service for follow-up inquiries. Be patient, as the recovery process may take some time. Keep copies of all correspondence for reference. Once the issue is resolved, ensure that your account reflects the correct balance. If needed, consider reviewing your account statements for future accuracy. This process will help you effectively recover cash with PNC Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.